everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about the ergonomic advancements and innovations in the G9 Random Orbital Polisher. Ergonomics are incredibly important. For a tool to really impress, it must feel solid in your hands. So comfort, balance, and ease of use are at the forefront of the G9's design. Attributes like weight distribution, grip size and placement, the location and access of controls, and the tool's overall shape have been optimized to perfection. For the longest time, the bodies of these tools have been loosely based off of a traditional random orbital wood sander or grinder body. However, since we first started designing our own machines in 2006, we've learned a lot about the comfort improvements of both the placement of gripping points and the use of double shot rubber and applied them here. Start with the shape of the G9 body. Every touch point has been considered to make it more comfortable and also grippable in every position possible when polishing or waxing your vehicle. You can hold the G9 traditionally, upright, or get creative with your angle of attack. Because there's so much double shot rubber, it's hard to find an uncomfortable position in which to grab the tool. One of the cool things you'll notice about that double shot rubber is that we've got a little brand honoring design on it. The Griot's Garage car is a key component of our logo and is perfectly suitable to enhance grip where it means the most. The on-off lockable trigger switch is designed to be immediately accessible, and of course, the grip features strategically placed double shot rubber, which not only improves your comfort, but reduces vibration throughout your hands, allowing you to work longer without fatigue. Even the immediately accessible speed controller has received a lot of ergonomic consideration in this tool's design. I like the nice clean clicks and how the speed that you have selected is represented on both sides of the tool body. The clicks prevent inadvertent adjustments of speed, as is experienced on other tools. Likewise, the dial is accessible for both left-handed and right-handed users. You'll also appreciate how the G9 design allows you to easily make speed adjustments on the fly without having your fingers slip off the trigger. Our patented platypus head grip, which we pioneered with the Boss machines back in 2015, has been incorporated into the G9. However, we have expanded beyond the basic platypus head design to include a comfort grip on the shroud that allows you to fit up to 4 fingers to guide the tool in a precise manner without raising your center of gravity like a D handle tends to. The G9's comfort grip shroud is another standout accomplishment in the G9 design. The inverted rest pads are another small detail incorporated into the G9. Our previous tools didn't have this feature, and their presence allows the tool to be laid on its back when you're not actively polishing. So no more laying the machine down with the pad facing down and risking cross-contamination and compromising the edge of the pad. Balance was another prime design parameter, and the G9 has the equilibrium of a prima ballerina. The weight balance of this tool is nearly perfect. It's centered over the backing plate so you can wield it easily with one hand if so desired. Consider that the tool is a half-pound lighter than our previous generation, and it's easy to see how comfort and control are increased. Further, there are almost no exposed metal parts on the G9. Our previous machine featured a metal shroud. The G9 shroud is made from composite to reduce temperatures, heat transfer, and weight, all while limiting the chance of bump damage. Another cool feature on the G9 is the power cord. It's a quick disconnect cord that makes the tool much easier to store on your workbench or in one of our nylon orbital bags. This design also improves durability by eliminating a common failure point of all power tools, the cord tool junction. Don't worry, it's strong enough to be whipped around your head like a lasso. We had to make sure of that before Richard gave it his blessing. We do not recommend swinging your orbital around your head as it's a safety danger and could damage your car or a nearby loved one. However, we are showing you this capability here strictly for demonstration purposes. The G9 comes equipped with a 10-foot cord, but we offer a 25-foot version for those who want more reach, and replacement cords are available in case anything bad ever happens to your cord. This tool is 27 years of evolution in ergonomic design. The G9 is the best random orbital on the market. It is the most comfortable, well-balanced, low-temperature operating random orbital available, and we are sure you will enjoy it for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more information on our G9 Random Orbital Polisher, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.